everyone, this is Priyanka from Memory Keepers. Today we are gonna make our next card in this Valentine's shaker card series, and this card is gonna be using a foam tape, and tell you some tips, and I'm doing it with some twist. So for that I'm just taking a piece of fuchsia cardstock. It measures 4.5 by 12, and then I'm just gonna score it at 6 inches like this, and I'm gonna fold it in half, and then I'm taking a rectangular die like this. Okay, this one measures 3.5. That's why I have taken my card to be 4.5, since I want a half-inch border on both the right and the left side like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut it through my die cutting machine, taping it like this, just keeping it a little bit towards the top, like not really in the center, so that we have some room to decorate. Okay. Next thing, when I have after cut my window, I'm taking the other sides from this nesting die. Okay, this is the bigger size, and then I'm just gonna keep both of them in my die cutting machine again, and I'm gonna cut a golden frame out of this. Now I have got a golden frame, you can see. Okay, now I'm gonna paste it over here like this, but before that I just want to share with you, I have made this foiled acetate. I have used the clear designer toner sheets from Decofoil, and I have used this rose gold color on this and run it through my laminator. So I've got something like this. So instead of using a plain acetate, I'm using this just to make things interesting. Okay, and then I'm gonna just cut it a little bit according to my card base, and then put tape over on the corners and just stick it in on the inside. I have cut my card into, like, I've separated this piece like this. Okay, and then I have just put tape on the back side.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Trees inside of me, in this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow?
Okay, just before putting your shaker, what you have to do is, since my foam tape was like it was an old piece, so it did not have any stickiness on the sides. Okay, this one, so that's why I was using glue to stick it. While before you're sticking is putting your shakers, what you have to do is take your talcum powder or your anti-static powder and just dip it in the brush like this, and then put on the sides of your foam tape like this. Okay, this will just remove this glue properties, and your glue and your shaker will not get stick to the foam tape. Okay, and then you can do the shaker thing. And after that, when you've closed this piece, I have put a black one so that everything is visible. Okay, and then if this excess is coming out, you can trim it off. Then take another card base, okay, 12 inches by, I've just taken a little bit more than 4.5 so that it sits properly. That is, I think this is 458. Yeah, okay, and then score it at 6 inches. And then fold it in half. And then stick your piece on top of this like this. If you want, you can de-stress your edges. If this is uneven, you can trim this off and then stick on your piece.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes.